We'll guide you through how to fix Steam corrupt update files. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video.
If your downloads are failing or showing errors, follow these steps one by one. First, open Steam and then click on the Steam in the top left corner and just go to Settings. From here, at the left hand side, just go to the Downloads tab and scroll down and you will see Clear Download Cache. Make sure to clear the cache, and once you confirm, the cache will be cleared and your Steam will restart. And once it reopens, check if your issue is fixed. And if it is still not working, just go back to Steam and go to Settings once again, and this time just select the Storage tab. Click on the three dot next to your storage drive and click on Repair Library. Confirm yes if prompted, and then just wait for the repair library to finish repairing the library folder. This will scan your Steam library and fix any corrupted or missing files automatically. After that, you can just go ahead and close this window, and then you can check once again. And if the problem is only happening with one specific game, you can just go ahead and close this window and go to the library tab. And let's say I'm having problem with this particular game, so I'll just right click on it and click on Properties. From here you will see different options. Just go to the option that says Installed Files, and from here just click on View Integrity of Game Files, and Steam will now check all the game files and replace any corrupted ones. Wait until it reaches 100%, and once the scan is complete, try launching or updating the game once again. In most cases, this will fix corrupt update files error and allow your game to download properly. And that's it. These are the most effective way to fix corrupt update files in Steam, and one of these methods should solve the problem for you. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to GuideRealm for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.